How to get your birth certificate from VitalChek. So just go ahead into your preferred browser and search for VitalChek directly, and you should be able to find something like this. So order vital records online, enter that website, which is the official VitalChek website. Then to get your certificate, to the order certificate section and go to birth certificates. You'll be able to see what you need, the birth certificate, basically the information included in the official document, and the ordering process. So what you'll need is the full name and date of birth of the person that's getting the certificate, place of birth, parent's name, self-identification and proof of relationship, and of course your payment method. If you want to know what's inside the birth certificate, just go ahead and read this section over here. And for the ordering process, basically just complete the application, fill out the online form with details, make the payment. So by using a secure payment method, verify your identity, follow their secure identity verification process to confirm your eligibility, government processing. So the Government Vital Records Agency processes your request, and certificate delivery times vary by agency and is not controlled by VitalChek. Then just go ahead and receive your certificate. The Government Vital Records Agency ships the certified birth certificate to you, unless a non-certified certificate was ordered. But that's pretty much how you can get a birth certificate from VitalChek. So hopefully the information of this video can help you. And if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. And that's all.